Show me your face.
Why?
Show me your face. Give me your name.
Christian, you don't want to...
See, you want to be known by people. That's why you want to debate me. And you accuse me of a lot of bad things. If you're a Christian, if you're a good Christian, you will not be like this. You accuse me a lot of things.
Why?
I'm not doing this for money, my friend. How come you accuse me of everything?
Nobody accusing you nothing. Do you want to debate?
No, you accuse me. I read. Someone sent me your message.
Why didn't you answer?
Me a lot of things.
Why didn't you answer?
How can I, brother? How can I? So look. I had debated an American here. You want to see it?
I'm not.
I debated a true American, born American. Unlike you, you're not American. Because you have an accent.
Well,
okay?
Why don't you want to debate Christian Prince?
I will debate you. My condition is I want to see your ugly face first. I want to see your name. I want to know your name. We will arrange everything. I debated. There are at least 3 times I have experience in Paltok. Okay?
Okay.
You show me your face.
Christian Prince.
Give me your face.
Christian Prince,
Give me
are
your
you
name.
getting this? CP?
We will arrange it.
Are you getting this,
in
CP?
Paltok. I will ask the brothers here from Salam TV to arrange everything. Don't dictate me. Who are you, by the way? You have no experience in the debate. The people, they don't know you. Your beliefs. What is your religion, man? Are you Catholic?
Listen.
Are you born again? Are you evangelicals?
I said, why does... Listen.
You don't, wait. So, you want to debate me, and I don't even know the topic.
Why does CP's face have anything to do with it?
Come on.
No.
Look,
why do you want to see his face?
You
want to debate it?
You have no right to dictate me because
you want to debate
the way I debate people.
You want to debate his face, or you want to debate him?
Look, I want to debate, but because, number one, my method is like this. There will be a pre-debate conference, number one. Number two, after that, we sign a contract. Okay. Number three, at least I know you. I will know you. I will see your face. I will know you. I never debated anyone.
Why do you want to debate?
I do not know.
I say, Abdul, why do you want to debate? Why do you want to debate his face? You don't want. You don't need to see his face.
Well, who are you to tell me like that? It is my method.
It's not a face. Face. Faces don't talk.
Yeah.
Faces don't talk.
Even the Christian evangelicals in YouTube.
Are you saying
in this manner?
Are you coward? Are you coward? Are you a coward?
Huh?
Are you coward?
No, you are the one who's coward. You have no experience in the debate. Do you have experience in the debate? You're a neophyte. You have experience?
CP, you want to say anything? You want to
Let me talk to him, Canon. Mr. Rashid, listen. My name is a Christian Prince. I am a book author. My first book is called The Deception of Allah. My second book is called Qur'an and Science in Depth. I debated thousands and thousands of Muslims, scholars, sheikhs, real sheikhs, not like you. And you are making excuses. I'm using Paltalk, not TV, to see my face. So we are waiting for you in the chat room right now. If you are really brave, remember I cannot hear you, by the way. If you are really brave, all what we are asking you to do, bring your knowledge. I don't want your face. I don't care for your face. This is your face. You can use it for a beauty queen, for gays and lesbian. I am not interested in your face. I am interested in your knowledge and in your answers. And the case the same for me. All what you want is my answers. You want to see how experienced I am? Ask everybody. Type my name in Google, you will see. I am the nightmare of Islam. And you are shaking because you notice that you are no match. I did not accuse you of anything, I'm stating facts. You make a challenge for the Christians to answer you, and you did not respond even to my video, because you know you cannot. You know that I gave a stronger proofs and you are no match. However, we have hundreds of people here waiting for you, Christians and Muslims, and people will be so disappointed if you don't show up. The face excuse is just an excuse. People here are laughing because you do not need to debate me with my face, you need to debate with my answers. If you are really powerful, you will win. Correct, guys? People who they are listening. If he is really a true scholar, he will win. With my face, without my face, who care? You will make victory for Allah. Are you saying that your Allah will not support you unless I come to you with my face? Are you saying you are guaranteeing losership in this battle because my face is not showing? Nonsense. Everybody is laughing. So listen, I will give you the microphone back. I cannot hear you right now because we are using the chat room to speak to you. I challenge you. We are waiting right now, and I gave you time in advance to prepare yourself. However, you can bring with you as many as you want. Ask, call all the Muslims you have in your town, even in Saudi Arabia. I am the Christian prince. I am the nightmare of Islam, and none of you can debate me. And this is why you are trying to find an excuse so you can run away. However, we are more than welcome to prove that you are really a scholar. You are more than welcome to prove that you know more than me. You are more than welcome to prove me wrong. And you are more than welcome to prove Islam to be right. However, I'm going to do the same. I am going to prove that you are no scholar and you have no knowledge in Islam. And you do not know even how to read Arabic, even though you act as if you are reading Arabic in the video. So bring with you whatever you want, whoever you want. And I promise you, we will treat you with respect in the chat room. Nobody will call you a name. We will call you Sheikh with all the respect. So be the man, we are waiting. The mic is yours.
You're a coward.
You heard him. You heard CP. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
It's your mic.
No. Yeah, I'm here.
Your mic. Speak.
But you see, listen. If you are really a good Christian, you will not be like this. I even doubt if you're a Christian, really. I have a lot of friends here who are Christian, but not you. There's an evangelical, a missionary, American evangelicals.
Why don't you debate?
Every week we talk.
Why don't you debate?
You can see it in YouTube.
Are you a coward? Don't you want to debate?
But at least, no, you're a coward. You're the one who coward.
You come on,
people
debate.
Know me.
Well, come on. He wants to
people know
debate.
my name. I'm not hiding everything.
Why are you not debating?
They know my face. I just want to see your face, man.
Why you want to not debate?
Just give me your name, man.
Face.
We will arrange everything.
No.
I will ask the Salam TV to arrange everything.
No.
No, you have no right to dictate me. By the way, who are you?
You don't want to debate?
You don't have everything.
We're waiting.
Canon, tell him, the coward, just to show everybody that he's making an excuse. Come to my room and I will show you my face. Come to my room right now and I will show you my face. Just I'm going to show everybody that you are a coward. You will not show up anyway. Come to my room right now and you will see my face. I will show you my face and my shoulder and my 2 ears and my nose and my teeth. And you can count them one by one. Now be a man. All the excuses is gone. If you don't show up, Mr. Rashid, this is going to be posted in YouTube. You are exposed big time. You are a coward and you are calling others cowards, and I can see that your knee is shaking and your feet is in trouble. You do not know what to do. You are asking yourself, God, Allah, where this gun coming from me? Look, your Allah is not helping you. Come to my chat room right now and see my face. Now, do you have more excuses? My name is a Christian prince. You want to see my face? I will show you my face. What do you want more? I'm not going to strip for you. I'm warning you, I'm not a gay. So come to the chat room and debate me. Be a man. Bring the best of you. People, they will laugh at you after this. We are going to post it in YouTube. Do you understand? The mic is yours.
Mike. I think he hung up, Sheikh.
What happened? What happened? He ran? See, he's making excuse. Show me your face. Show me your face. You want to debate my face or me? What do you want to do with my face? You see how coward they are? I understand. He's a coward because now he's out of excuse. He's asking for the face. We told him, okay, no problem. We will see the face. He's a potato. He is in a big trouble. He have no idea what he can do. Those who they are, they claim to be scholars. They are nothing but a bunch of potatoes. Here we go. We set up a debate for him. We gave him an advance time. And what he want? He want to see the face. He don't want to debate me. He's just trying to make us excuse. And I assure you, he might be in the chat room right now. He will come soon in the chat room and he will call himself Katie or Kitty Cat or Lulu the pretty. He will come undercover to see what's going on. He don't know what to do. And my message for the Christians everywhere in the world, those potatoes who claim to be sheikh, they are shakers. We shake them. They are fake. We expose them. They are potatoes. We fry them. Do you know the song? It's called Potato Song. Go and search for it in YouTube. It's fit perfectly with those people. We heard their feeling with our questions. We heard their God with our facts. We destroy their religion with the proofs and reference. And this is why they know they are no match. This video is going to be posted in YouTube. And everybody will be laughing at Shaker, Breaker, the one who ran away from debate. He's asking for the face. We will give you the face. You want me to show you my foot? I will show you my foot. By the way, I have 6 fingers. Don't ask me how. Huh? Because always I have an extra one. Now, do any Muslim brave really dare to debate us? Look, we wait for them, we challenge them, we make videos for them, we ask them to come, we promise them to speak to them friendly and nicely. He asked for a name, he asked for a face, we said no problem, we will give it to you. Still the coward, he don't dare to show up. Any of you have someone he claimed to be a scholar, please bring him over, because after he debate me, his scholarship is over. Those fake ones, they speak to the non-Muslims or Muslims who do not speak Arabic, who have no idea what this guy is saying. All what he need to do to be a scholar in Islam is to say, Alhamdulillah, Bismillah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. That's it, you are a scholar, and you grow a little beard. That's it, and then you will get a salary, you don't go to work. Saudi, they send you a lot of money, you nice home, 4 wives, 7 cars. Why 7 cars? 6 cars. No, 6 cars. 7 cars, sorry. No, 7, 6. Anyway, so because some of them they have 6 cars, some of them they have 7. Some of them they go by the Shia, some of them they go by the Sunni, because 7 is a holy number in Islam. Remember, brother. So. And they get paid for everyone they try to convert to Islam, even if it's a fake conversion. They bring someone, he say the Shahada, they get the money, they record the video, they send it to Saudi Arabia, they send it the check. Even if the guy, he is a Muslim by birth, who knows who is he? We know how it is. It is a business. The reason I don't go by my name, Abdul, I don't use my name, because I don't make money from this. You need your name, you need your face, because you make money. It's a business for you. If you don't give your name, how they will make you a scholar and praise you and give you salary and give you money and donations and mashallah and alhamdulillah, etc. It is here.